Jai Hind students, I am here again with a new exercise of class 5th maths. This is exercise 1.4. So here is first question. Insert commas and expand the following numbers. So A part is here. So firstly we have to insert a comma according to Indian system. Remember this, according to Indian system. So from right side, after 3 digit we put first comma, and after 2 digit the second comma. Now we will expand it. So expanded form we have done earlier, that in expanded form we write the place values of all the digit in a number, inserting plus sign between them. So firstly, place value 8 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, these comma also help us to write the expanded form. Place value of 2 is 2 0 comma 0 0 0 plus, देखिए जीरो की प्लेस वैल्यू वी कैन स्किप द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ जीरो. नाउ प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 8 इज 800 and second is 80, third 8 is 8, so plus 8. So in this way it is the expanded form. Similarly the B part is 2 3 4 5 6 7 1. So firstly we will insert the comma according to Indian system. Now we are writing it in expanded form. So place value of this 2 is 20 comma 0 0 comma 0 0 0 plus, now place value of 3, okay, yes, plus place value of 4 40 comma 0 0 0, place value of 5, place value of 6, place value of 7 plus place value of 1. So this is the place value of 1. So in this way we can do C and D part also. Students, here is question number 2. Write each of the following numbers in expanded form as we have done in previous question, and in words also. So one part I am showing you: 3295 726. Firstly, if I am writing it in expanded form, this will be 30 comma 0 0 0 0 0 plus 2 comma 0 0 comma 0 0 0 plus it is 90 comma 0 0 0 plus 5 के आगे देखिए जितनी डिजिट होती है उतनी जीरो, प्लस 700 plus 20 and plus 6. So this is the expanded form. Now you have to write it in words. So let's write it in word. You can write, this is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So we can write it in lakh group is 32. So 32 lakh 95,726. 32 lakh 95,726. So in the same way we should do B, C, D parts. Now students, this is question number 3, and this is express each of the following in standard form. So we have to write it in standard form. So if we add them, what answer exactly we got, that is the standard form. Okay, so firstly I have told you that you can count the number of digits in any number. Okay, that one digit here is 2 and 3 digits, and here is 3 to 5 digits. So we can write number 1 4, number 2 5, number 3 6. We have to write non-zero numbers. After that, number 4 digit means number of digit 4 नहीं है कहीं भी, so we should write the 0 at number 4 place, and number 5 it is 6. So in this way, this is the standard form, and we should write the comma according to Indian system. So I hope you have understand it. Now again, let's do the part number B. Here is, we should write number of digits, 1 digit 5, 2 digits भी है यहाँ पे, एंड नॉन जीरो नंबर 8 है, नॉन जीरो डिजिट की बात कर रहे हैं हम यहाँ पे. 3 पे भी है 9, एंड नंबर ऑफ डिजिट 4 भी है 8, नंबर ऑफ डिजिट 5 भी है 7, एंड नंबर ऑफ डिजिट 6 भी है 1. तो यहाँ पे सभी नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स हमारे पास थे. नाउ वी शुड राइट द कोमा अकॉर्डिंग टू इंडियन सिस्टम. So this is the answer. These are the standard form. So you can do other parts also like this. Here is question number 4. Write the following numbers in international system of numeration. Students, international system of numeration क्या होता है कि इसमें 3 डिजिट्स के बाद कोमा हम लिखते हैं, और सभी में 1 टेंस 100 होता है. सो 3 डिजिट के बाद आपको पहले कॉमा लिखना है. ए पार्ट लेट्स डू. सो आफ्टर 3 डिजिट फर्स्ट कॉमा, सो इट इज़ 4 3 1 2 3 5 4. सो कॉमा, फर्स्ट कॉमा आफ्टर 3 डिजिट, एंड सेकंड कॉमा अगेन आफ्टर 3 डिजिट. ओके, सो 3 डिजिट के बाद ही कॉमा इसमें आता है. नाउ वी हैव टू राइट इट इन expanded form. So simply you can expand it like this: 4 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, remember comma will be according to the international system. Plus 3 0 0. अब देखिए यहाँ पे फिर कॉमा है एंड 3 डिजिट है, तो 3 0 कर देते हैं. आफ्टर दैट 1 0, इट इज 0 0 0 प्लस 2 0 0 0 प्लस 3 0 0 plus 50 plus 4. Okay, so you can do like this the international system of numeration. Okay, so I hope this exercise has been clear to you. So do the practice of this exercise. See you in next video with the new exercise. Take care. Have a nice day.